Good morning and welcome to T-Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge, the podcast where we explore financial market dynamics, emerging trends, and the insights that shape successful investments. Each week, we'll delve into the strategies and analyses that drive our investment decisions. You'll get an insider's perspective on the factors influencing markets and the potential winners and losers of tomorrow. Subscribe to the podcast to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment choices. Enjoy listening.
Welcome to T-Hub Capital's The Investors Lounge weekly newsletter. Today's date is the 16th of December. Let's dive into the week's stock market news. European markets react to ECB rate cut and UK economic contraction. European markets presented a mixed picture as investors grappled with the European Central Bank's latest interest rate cut and news of an unexpected contraction in the UK economy. The Pan-European Stocks Europe 600 index dipped 0.77%, reflecting uncertainty about the ECB's efforts to bolster the struggling economy. Germany's DAX and Italy's FTSE MIB managed to post modest gains, while France's CAC 40 and the UK's FTSE 100 experienced slight declines. The ECB lowered its key deposit rate to 3.0%, marking the fourth reduction this year. While signaling a potential for further easing, the central bank maintained a cautious approach, emphasizing its meeting-by-meeting strategy for policy decisions. The ECB also adjusted its growth and inflation forecasts downward. Adding to the day's monetary policy news, the Swiss National Bank surprised markets with a larger-than-anticipated rate cut, aiming to counter deflationary pressures and maintain price stability. Meanwhile, the UK economy sputtered, with October's GDP figures revealing an unexpected contraction for the second consecutive month. This slowdown followed a robust start to the year, raising concerns about the UK's economic outlook. Despite the monthly contractions, the economy managed to eke out marginal growth over the 3 months through October, thanks to expansion in the services and construction sectors. The Bank of England is expected to maintain a cautious stance on interest rates in light of persistent inflationary pressures, particularly in the services sector. In a separate development, French President Emmanuel Macron appointed François Bayrou, a centrist politician and former Justice Minister, as the new Prime Minister, replacing Michel Barnier. Now our insight into alternative markets. The AI-powered longevity revolution, enhancing health span and empowering older generations. In the past century, life expectancy has more than doubled, transforming societies and economies. This trend, coupled with declining fertility rates, has led to an increasingly older population. While some fear the economic burden of an aging society, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, offer a different perspective, a potential for increased productivity, and a golden age for those over 65. The traditional response to increased lifespan has been raising the retirement age. However, this alone doesn't address the need to keep individuals healthy, engaged, and productive for longer. We are now witnessing a second longevity revolution, powered by AI, focused on health span. Not just living longer, but living healthier. The integration of AI in healthcare is poised to enhance lifespan by improving diagnostics, treatment, and disease prevention. AI can help people live longer and healthier lives. Boost productivity. AI-powered tools can enable older individuals to remain active and contribute their skills and experience to the workforce. Promote inclusivity. AI can facilitate the development of assistive technologies and personalized care solutions, ensuring that older generations remain integrated into society. As we work towards a sustainable and equitable future, I's role in healthcare is crucial for empowering older generations and ensuring their continued contribution to our communities and economies. That's a wrap for the Investor Lounge in 2024. Thank you all for listening, and we wish you happy holidays and a prosperous new year. We'll be back with new episodes in January 2025.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, hubcapital.com. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon. All the best from the T Hub Capital team.